Struggling to grow your YouTube channel? What if you could clone yourself? Hire experts to handle editing, thumbnails, SEO, and more. Discover how Fiverr helps YouTubers like you save time, boost views, and finally hit 10K subs. Let's break it down. Why Fiverr? Growing a channel is a full-time job, but you don't have to do it alone. Fiverr connects you to thousands of vetted freelancers who specialize in YouTube growth. From thumbnails to SEO, they'll handle the grind while you focus on creating. Here's how. Service number 1. Thumbnail design. Your thumbnail is your first impression. Hire a designer to make yours pop. Look for checkmark portfolio that matches your vibe, e.g., gaming, beauty, tech. Revisions included to tweak until it's perfect. Fast delivery, 24 hours equals golden. Service number 2, video editing. Editing eats hours. On Fiverr, hire an editor to cut dead air, add transitions, and sync music. Color grade for that cinematic look. Optimize pacing to keep viewers hooked. Search YouTube video editor and filter by trending to find editors who know what's hot. Service number 3, SEO and keyword research. SEO is the secret to getting recommended by YouTube. Hire experts to find high-traffic, low-competition keywords. Optimize titles, tags, and descriptions. Analyze competitors and replicate their wins. Look for gigs like rank your videos on YouTube's first page. Some sellers even include a keyword spreadsheet. Service number 4, script writing and voiceovers. Stuck scripting? Hire a writer to craft binge-worthy content. Pair it with a voiceover artist to narrate your videos, perfect for faceless channels. Filter by language, tone, funny, serious, and delivery speed. Pro tip: search YouTube scriptwriter for tech reviews to match your niche. Service number 5, channel art and branding. Your channel art is your brand identity. Hire designers for custom banners, logos, and end screens. Social media templates, TikTok, Instagram, consistent color schemes, and fonts. Look for gigs like 360 YouTube branding makeover. Some include 3D intros. How to hire safely. Before hiring, 1. Read reviews. Look for video review badges. 2. Compare portfolios. Do their samples align with your style? 3. Message sellers to confirm deadlines and scope. 4. Start small. Order a $20 gig first to test quality. Fiverr's buyer protection. Your money stays safe until you approve the work. Ready to 10x your growth? Click the link below to hire your dream freelancer at a discount, exclusive to our viewers. Smash that like button if you're hyped to grow smarter, subscribe for more YouTube hacks, and comment Fiverr below if you're grabbing your discount today. Your channel's potential is limitless. Don't let burnout hold you back. Click the link below and let Fiverr freelancers handle the heavy lifting. See you in the next video.